Action cameras are the go-to tools for adventure seekers, vloggers, and content creators. With the release of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the DJI Action 5 Pro, both brands bring their best to the table. Insta360 promises breathtaking 8K footage, while DJI takes their expertise from drones and applies it to action cameras. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between the two cameras, focusing on image quality, stabilization, features, and more, to help you decide which one fits your needs. When it comes to capturing crisp, detailed footage, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 pushes the envelope with its 8K resolution. The extra pixels allow for detailed cropping, making it an ideal choice for action-packed moments. But keep in mind, 8K works best in well-lit environments. On the other hand, the DJI Action 5 Pro sticks to 4K. But don't let that fool you. Its 4K video is exceptionally sharp, especially in low-light situations where it excels. If your adventures often extend into the evening, the DJI might have the edge in image clarity after the sun goes down. Action-packed footage is nothing without smooth stabilization. Both cameras shine here, but each has its strengths. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 features the flow state stabilization system, which offers steadiness without losing much of the frame. It's great for activities that require minimal cropping. Meanwhile, the DJI Action 5 Pro relies more heavily on cropping to stabilize footage, which might trim the edges of your frame slightly, but it's still a strong performer in delivering smooth, shake-free video. Shooting in low light can be tricky, but these cameras handle it well. The DJI Action 5 Pro impresses with its natural colors in dim settings, making it perfect for nightlife or low-light adventures. On the other side, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 takes a different approach, emphasizing brighter shadows for more detail in darker scenes. While this can give you more visual information, the tones may seem less natural than the DJI's. In terms of usability, both cameras pack a lot of features, but they cater to slightly different audiences. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers a wider field of view, and its famous 360-degree horizon lock feature ensures the horizon stays level, no matter how intense the action gets. It's also great for those who enjoy fine-tuning their footage in post-production. The DJI Action 5 Pro, on the other hand, is designed with vloggers and solo shooters in mind. Its dual OLED touchscreens allow for easy framing from both the front and back, perfect for vlogs or quick selfies. Plus, its fast startup time means you won't miss out on capturing those spontaneous moments. If you need seamless external microphone integration, the DJI's setup is more reliable, making it a great choice for creators who prioritize audio quality. In tricky lighting, such as backlit scenes, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 handles high-contrast situations with ease, delivering more natural colors. However, DJI's Action 5 Pro has a slight blue tint that can be adjusted in post-production. What DJI does bring to the table is 10-bit color grading, which gives you more flexibility when editing your footage. If you're someone who likes to tweak colors for that perfect shot, DJI's offering might suit your needs better. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 boasts a wider 157-degree field of view, which makes it a great option for expansive landscapes or capturing action sports from a distance. Its digital zoom also holds up well, preserving image quality even as you zoom in. On the flip side, the DJI Action 5 Pro isn't as strong in this department, with noticeable quality loss when zooming digitally. It's better suited for closer range shots that don't require heavy cropping. Both cameras come waterproof out of the box, but there's a slight difference in depth. The DJI Action 5 Pro is waterproof up to 20 meters, while the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 handles up to 12 meters, though you can add an optional dive case for deeper dives. When it comes to battery life, the DJI pulls ahead, offering over 2 hours of 4K recording, compared to the Ace Pro 2's 90 minutes at 8K. If you're someone who values battery life, especially for long shoots, the DJI may be the better option. Choosing between the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the DJI Action 5 Pro comes down to your priorities. If you're after the sharpest resolution, a wider field of view, and better low-light performance, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 should be your pick. However, If you prioritize usability, faster setup, and superior audio integration, then the DJI Action 5 Pro might be more suited to your needs. Both cameras bring excellent features to the table, but knowing what matters most to you, whether it's 8K video, smoother editing options, or battery life, will help you make the right choice for your next adventure. Let me know in the comments which camera you're excited about, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.